Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Anaya and as you can tell by the title, I am doing my makeup. So first I am starting off with my eyebrows and I'm just using a regular dark brown eyebrow pencil that I got from the beauty supply store. Next, I'm concealing under my eyebrows using the Milani Conceal and Perfect in the shade Warm Tan. So here's where my camera randomly turned off. I don't know why, but here I'm just using the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation. I forget the shade, but I'm gonna put it in there somewhere. And now I'm just blending that all in. After that, I go in with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Tan Sand. Now I'm just using this bronzer from Beauty in the shade Deep Bronze. I love this bronzer so much. It makes me feel so gorgeous. Here I am going back in with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Fair Warm, and I do this just for that extra bright under eye look. Next, I'm setting my under eye with the Charlotte Tilbury Brightening Flawless Airbrush Powder. After that, I'm using the e.l.f. setting powder in the shade Light Pink. And here I am just trying to decide which Saie Beauty blush I want to use. I ended up choosing the Spicy shade, which is so pretty. Now time for my favorite part, which is the lip combo. So I'm just going over my lips with a regular dark brown lip liner that I got from a drugstore. And I go over that using the Maybelline lipstick in the shade More Coffee. And I'm just topping it off with a NYX Butter Gloss, I believe. I'll put the shade in there somewhere. Now I'm just finishing off my makeup with the NYX Radiant Setting Spray. And here's the finishing look. Thank you guys so much for watching and stay tuned for more videos. Bye!